Hey guys, Jin here. Today I'm gonna unbox something cool that just arrived to me. Everyone know that I'm a big fan of Nixie Tube. Nixie Tube is a very old technology that date back in LCD was created. Then even back date to the LED era. We're looking at a tube like this. It's actually fired by connected. The number is actually inside. You can see here, and you actually become a little neon light by once you drive around 200 to 300 watts of voltage around here, and then you'll grow into a secret magical colors that you can see here. And today I'm gonna unbox the latest stuff that come to me, and let's start it, man. Let's take out our knife. It's a whole bag blocks of stuff, and here we go. Show this part. Here we have a small bag here. Let me try to unpack this. We unpack this thing, and let's see what we have here today. Cool. User menu that we don't gonna read. And here we are, the ESP version of digital Nixie Tube, and it's an Elektube, and let's try it out. Let me take it out first. Whoa, look at the build quality. This is metal, man. This whole thing is metal, and very nice build quality here. You have an ESP. Let me see. This is a ESP VROOMs, ESP32, and we have some button here and some connectors for the LCD screen on top. What was this? There are a few chips here. I can see here there's actually a LM1084. It's actually a power regulator, and I guess this is the DS3231. This is RTC clock. And we do have some other component as well, 120, and the USB serial, the WCH340. You can see here. Wow, cool. We have a shift register. It's a HC595. Wow, this is awesome. Let's put it up here. And there's X in here. Open out the layers. We have a bunch of other stuff as well. First is actually have all this tiny little screen. This is actually the LCD screen itself that we're gonna plug inside here, and then we can actually put that in with this little knob here, and they will become a small little Nixie tube. Awesome. Let's start working on this. Let's see how this thing works. So this is a very tiny LCD screen. This is an IPS display, and it's actually connected through the connector here, and they actually have a built-in LEDs. And I think this is a NeoPixel. You can change the degree. Let me try plug it in. Let's see here. Wow. We're not going to take out the protective screen yet, not until we tested all these devices. Let me plug this in one by one, and then we put in the tube. Super cool, man. Okay, look at the initiation. Oh my god, this is so cool. Check this out, baby. Wow. So modern technology here. the LCD screen design, and then old technology, the Nixie Tube. So I designed both. I designed the Nixie Tube with the power circuit, everything, and my design have some flaw. That's why you see there's actually sometimes it doesn't move everything, but wow, it worked quite well, I guess. Awesome. This is so cool, man. Each individual of this is actually LCD screen. See, actually LCD screen driven by ESP, and then they can actually display different pictures according to a need. And compared to my down one, it's technically just a Nixie Tube.